It's the day 27 of our Excel work hour. So if you are just joining us, you are welcome to our YouTube channel, LearnWithQowiyy. And if you've been for one of our previous viewers, you are also welcome back to class today. So today is the day 27 of our Excel work hour. So this is a journey we've embarked on since August 1st, where we've been learning different Excel functions, some Excel formulas. We've also used some of the tools we have in Excel, like conditional formatting. We've used our name box to name. We've used data, some of these toolbars. We've used our name range from our formulas, but so we've done a couple of things here. We've done a couple of things, we've done here. So, in case you are just joining us, you can always revert back to the previous video. It's also under the playlist of our Excel work hour on the channel. Learn with Kowi. Now, in today's class, we are going to be learning another function again called offset function. Before we go that, in case you are just joining us once again, my name is Kowi ECG. I'm a data analyst. I'm also a data analysis instructor. So in case there is anything on this channel you are not getting, or you want to start a data analysis journey, or you are looking on how to get started in your tech career, you can always send a message. My WhatsApp link is embedded under the description in this video. Now, without wasting much of our time, now let us move to today's work. We want to talk on a function called offset function. Offset. Now, offset itself is just like what? It's also what? A lookup function. Yes, it's also a lookup function. But one thing you need to know about offset is offset is a volatile function. Yes, it's a volatile function. What do I mean by volatile? That means for every time you open your system, if you close and you open it, it's going to what? It calculates, like it keeps it calculating. So that's what I mean by what? Offset function. Exactly. That's what I mean by volatile function, sorry. Now, but for offset, what do we use it for? We also use our offset to what? To return what? Values. But one thing is just that our offset is what? It is more dynamic than our other lookup function. Let me use it that way. Why? Because you can use our offset function to extract couple of information. Yes, couple of information. Now, please, we need you to just pay good attention to me. Now, I've typed some things here that is going to assist us. Now, our offset function, it has what? It has five. Yes, it's going to code for five things. Exactly. The reference, the rows, the column, the height, and the width. This height and width are what? They are not compulsory, they are optional. That's what they are, square bracket. Exactly. Now, let us go. If I want to do that, I have my equals to offset. Now, okay, the first thing is what? You see this reference is what? Where do we want to start from? That's what this reference means. If I want to move upward, I'll use negative. If I want to move down, I'll use positive. If I want to use negative to the left, if I want to move to the left, I will use negative. If I want to move to the right, I will use it positive. Is that clear? Now, let us work with just these three first. Now, so I'm having this 6 here now. Exactly, I'm having this 6, but I want to get this 7. You can see it. This 6, I want to get this 7. Let me put this also here. Now, based on what you said, how are we going to calculate it? That means my start point will be what? This 6. Now, I want to what? I want to move towards I want to move upward. That means, and this fall on what? So I'll just say 1, 2, 3. I'll use negative 3, right? Then what column? I want to move to the left, so it now be 1, 2, 3. Exactly. Now let's try this. Right, equals to offsets. Now what is my reference to this? Then I will say comma. What is my rows? I'm moving to this particular row, so now be 1, 2, 3, right? So I'll be moving what? -3. Don't forget, if you are going up, you use negative. Now, I'm moving what? To the what? To this left side. If you are going to the left, you use what? Negative. You can see it. So when I say what? -3. Now we close and enter. Can you see we have ourselves? Can you see that? So let us go again. Let me assume this is what I want to get. I want to get my 209. How will I say it? I'll just move what? Downward. That means 1, 2. My row will be 2. Then my column will be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let us give this one another color. So that's I give it like this. Yes. So now let's go. It's now be equals to offset. Now we're starting from here, comma, go. So we are moving downwards, now but positive to 1, so, comma. We are moving to the left, it now be what? Negative, don't forget. So from here, it now be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It now be negative 5. Then we have enter. What is we have our 2 9. Now let us do the one of moving right. So let me start from my 9 here. This is my 9 here. Then I want to start my, let me see my 77. Exactly. 77. Now, when I see, now let us do it. How are we going to do it? We count number of rows first. 1, 2, 3. Right? So don't forget, if you are moving to the right, it will be positive. Then if you are, yes, if you are moving to the right, it will be positive. If you are moving upward, it will be what? Negative. Now, so the first thing we're going to do is what? It's going to request for rows, right? So we are going to move upward first. It will now be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That will be negative 5. We are moving what? To the right. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Equals to offset. Now where is my reference? This is my reference, comma. What is my rows? This is my row. My row is what? I'm going here now. So, and that what? When I'm going up, that will be negative. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 5. Right? And I'm moving what? To the right hand side, positive 1, 2, 3. It will be 3 like this. Enter. I hope it is clear. Now, so let us now look at what this height and width does. You see this height and width, they assist us in what? Retrieving what? Couple of, okay, now that means if I want to get, let me say, I want to get all this information like this, that is where what? My height and width comes in. Exactly. Now, the first one we're going to do is what? We are going to add height now. So now I stop at my 77 B. So then let me just say I want to start this 3 more. 1, 2, 3. And if you are moving downward with what positive, so I'll just say what the first thing is going to ask for what my height. Then I say what comma 3. What can you see? You see, and for height, sorry, for height is going to start the count from that particular one. So this will 1, 2, 3. You can see I have 7, 7, 10, 5. Exactly. Now, so let us now assume that okay, that is not where I want to stop. Where I want to stop is what I actually want to get what all this information like this. Then I will come here again. Don't forget if you are moving to the what to the right hand side, it will be what positive. Let me see how I say 3 again. Can you see it? What happened from here? What happened? I said 3, so it now be 1, 2, 3. So it's going to return what everything from here for me. Is that clear? I hope this assists and has made it clear. Okay, so this is where we are going to stop here today. I hope you've learned something new in this class. Exactly. So we are going to be stopping there in this class. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you've learned something new in this particular class. So please make sure you practicalize this and work with it. Thanks. Do have a nice day.